Hello children, welcome to our next topic. The next topic of chapter 14 is rotational symmetry. Rotation means rotating something about its axis, as like you people study in social science. Earth rotates on its own axis. The same way we have some axis that is called the fixed point of some figures. For example, in this figure, this is the fixed point if we consider. Then we have to rotate the figure for a complete rotation, for one complete rotation. And we have to check that how many times do the figure look like original one. In this concept, we'll study three another concepts, that is center of rotation, angle of rotation, and order of rotation. So if like all the subjects can coincide once in a rotation, how once in a rotation? If an object like this is the D, है ना, this is a D. If I'll rotate it on some axis in this way, keeping it fixed, it doesn't look like the original, doesn't one revolution we have to take either clockwise or in. I've fixed one point here it look like original once in a rotation. So it means every figure has a rotation order of rotation 1 for its rotational symmetry, and we need to check which figures are having more than one. Each figure will have order of rotation 1 because at least once in complete rotation it will look like original. We are given with some figures in exercise 14.2 to check for the same. In the first question, you need to tell which figures are having order of rotation more than 1, and here you have to tell what is the order of rotation for each and every figure. To make you understand the concept, I have taken one transparent paper and I have drawn some shapes over it. Like I have traced some shapes from the, like you can see here, है ना? Similarly, we'll trace these shapes. Like this is my first figure. I'm gonna trace it on the paper in this way. You can take transparent paper, trace paper in which the below one page is visible, and then this line plus sign, sorry it will be little bit here and there, and this is the axis of rotation. The marks you people see in the figures are given, that is the axis of rotation. You have to rotate on this axis. Now I have drawn the figure. I'll mark top position so that I get to know that I have done one complete rotation. That is my top. I'll fix it with some point, then I'll rotate 1, then this is second time it looks like original, this is third time, and this is fourth time, and yes, my top reaches at top. So it means 4 times it looks like original, so it means its order of rotation is 4. Similarly, I'll take another example, not the triangle one. I'll take this example, third one, this figure like this, like this. This is the order of rotation. Now start rotating. I'm rotating it. It doesn't look like original here also, no, because its faces are on opposite side. Again, yes. It looked like original. This was the top and we reaches at top again. So it means it looks like original only once in one rotation. So its order of rotation will be 1. Now you need to check for these figures also in the same way, and you can answer your question that which figures are having order of rotation more than 1. Similarly, I'll show you some examples for the questions for the parts of question 2 also. Like this one, 80-degree angle was given. When lines cross each other, opposite angles are always equal. If this is 80 degree, then the opposite one is also 80 degree. So I made already this one. I fixed the axis. This is the top one. Then this is the point. This is the point when top reaches at the bottom. This is the bottom sign here. When top reaches at the bottom, then again the figure looks similar because the angle was same. Again we rotate and we get to the top. These angles will not match. This is the smaller one, the below one is the bigger one. Again I will come here and top to top. How many times do it look like same? It look like same twice. So it means order of rotation is 2. Similarly, I'll show you one more example with the star. drawn the star here. It is not properly properly overlapping because it's been drawn with hand. This is the top point. Top point is going here, 1. Top point is going again here, 2. Top point again, 3. Top point again, it's 4. Top point again, it's 5. Top point again, it's 6. So it means order of rotation is 6. Similarly, you need to check for all the figures, and in case you people are not having any trace paper, you can use polythene, or otherwise you people can go with the imagination also. And for imagination, you need to check whether these parts are equal, whether these portions are all equal, these all sides, because whenever they are equal, then only after rotation they will overlap, otherwise they will not overlap. So you need to go with the measurements and imagination, otherwise this is the easiest way to check for the rotational symmetry. Thank you.